In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up language translation in the new Microsoft Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful if you regularly receive emails written in different languages or if you simply want to improve your understanding of another language. By enabling translation, you can read and respond to messages more efficiently without needing external tools. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website, then sign in to your account. If you are new to the updated Outlook interface, take a brief moment to explore the layout. The design is clean and user-friendly, making it easier to navigate through different settings and features. Once you are inside your inbox, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open the settings panel. This area allows you to customize how Outlook works based on your preferences. After opening the settings menu, look for the Mail section and select it to access your email-related options. This is where you can adjust various features, including how messages are displayed and handled. From there, scroll down until you find the Message Handling section. This part contains several options that control how your emails are processed. Within this section, you will see the translation settings. Here, you can You can decide how you want Outlook to handle emails written in other languages. You may choose to automatically translate all incoming messages into your preferred language, which is helpful if you frequently receive foreign language emails. If you prefer more control, you can select an option that asks for your confirmation before translating each message. This gives you flexibility to decide when translation is necessary. On the other hand, if you do not want translations at all, you can disable this feature entirely. In addition, you can select the language you want emails to be translated into. This is especially useful if you are trying to immerse yourself in a specific language, as it allows you to view messages in that language consistently. After adjusting these options to your liking, your changes will be applied automatically. You can now read translated emails seamlessly within your inbox, making communication much smoother and more accessible. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.